Put a pet bottle on ground beef for a perfect snack. In a bowl with 500 g ground beef, add 3 crushed garlic cloves and mix well. Next, season with salt and sweet paprika, then mix again. Add a grated carrot. Some parsley and chives. A chopped onion. Also a grated potato. Crack an egg. Mix everything again. Now gradually add breadcrumbs. You can use cassava flour too. Mix until it's a consistent dough. Take a small amount, shape it, and put it in a container. With all the meat in the form, press it down with a spoon as shown. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius until golden, about 20-30 minutes. Look how amazing the recipe turns out. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. A quick, easy, and delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time and thanks.